guys, welcome back to another video. And today we're going to be shooting the pellet gun with my dad, but he doesn't want to be in the YouTube video. So yeah, here's my pellet gun, guys. And the bullets that we are going to be using today are these. These are 250 grains. Let me set these down. Here's what they look like. These are my squirrel ones. They're also my only ones, so I gotta be like really careful with them. But my dad is getting ready. He's loading my thing up. I'm just very excited to shoot this thing. I got this thing for Christmas. And yeah, but we are going to be shooting at a cardboard box. So these are the kind of targets that we're using. We already put one on a box. My dad has it right now. So yeah, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe. It'll really help me out. I'm trying to reach 10 right now. Here's all of our bucks. Well, here's like mostly all my dad's bucks. Little 4-point, it's mine. Not right. This one right behind this little 3-point here. That little 3-point's my sister's. She's 17. But she was 16 when she shot it. My dad and her, they were out early in the morning or in the evening, I don't really know. But when I got news of it, I was actually pretty excited for her. And then this year, my dad shot a buck. It had gangrene in it, sadly. Yeah, which that sucked. I'm just hoping that we get another one this year. That's what I'm really looking for. That shot right into my mouth. It's also on here too. Darn it. My dad's getting the logs right now. Yeah. This is what inside the scope looks like. Sorry if you see that timer up there. Well, not timer, but seeing how many minutes. Hey Dad, you think you'd be my cameraman? You have to point it like this though, because I can't flip it around or else I'm gonna have to stop the whole thing. He's putting in the mag now. It's a 10-round mag, but he's gonna have to cock it back for me because he shot it, and it's like really hard. It's even really hard for him to cock it. Like he was just struggling there, but Do you have to cock it every shot?
Every shot.
Ooh.
And that's your safety.
Mm-hmm.
You push that forward. You push that forward to shoot. Whenever you're ready to shoot.
Okay.
And then rest yourself on there. All right, you wanna go see where it hit?
Yeah, let's go. Okay. Thank you. Okay, I was aiming dead center. Let's go see where I hit this thing at.
You hit about 1.5 inches high and about 1 inch to the right.
Okay, so I was aiming kind of like right there. I shot right there. There's that, and then there's the exit. There, right there. Okay. But okay, my dad's gonna try to shoot it now. Kind of got some of that water in my mouth when I was trying to break ice. Trying to spit it all out. Okay. It's one of our old tables that my dad accidentally broke. Shoot. It looks like you.
Looks like it's
Where'd you hit it at?
a little bit high and just a little bit to the right. You're shooting about 3 inches high. If you move that counterclockwise, that takes you up. One click. One click is a 1/2 inch. So we need 3 to come down 3 inches. So we need to do, one click's a 1/2 inch, I mean a 1/4 inch. Then we need to do, so 4 of those would be 1 inch. We would have to do 12 clicks clockwise to come down.
Okay, which one? Wait, I don't know which one.
This is up. It has the arrow pointing counterclockwise if you need to go up. But since you come down, you need to go opposite and go clockwise.
Okay.
So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. That was for the up. And we're going to come over about a 1/2 inch. So each click is a 1/4 inch. So we need to come to the left a 1/2 inch. So it says L for left, clockwise. One click is a 1/4 inch. We want a 1/2 inch, so we're going to do 2. Okay.
All right, we should be all good.
Let me load it up.
Yeah, look, see, my dad's pretty strong, and it's even pretty hard for him. Wood's starting to dry rot. Well, it's starting to rot away. Where is that at?
Let's do it again.
Here, can I try it this time?
Hang on, let me do one more.
Is this starting to get a little easier for you?
Yeah, it was just a little bit hard because it's new also.
Yeah, but we are going to be killing some squirrels hopefully this year if we can get sighted in, like maybe Monday if we're allowed. No, you're gonna be on night shift. You're gonna be fast asleep. Did you see where you hit it at?
Mm-hmm.
Where'd you hit? Where'd you hit it that time?
Down a little bit more.
Okay, can I try this time?
I want to get it close so then you can make the final good shot on it. Stop moving.
Huh?
Stop moving. Dead on.
Dead on?
Yep, I just shot it right in the orange. So now, put it on safety. You have to push that forward.
I don't think you can sit on that anymore.
Do you have the safety off?
Yes.
You sure you got it pulled back toward you? Here, let's try to sit down on that. Let's go see.
Right above it.
Here, let's go see. Give me that.
I seen it. Hit right above it. You think I can try to cock it now? I'm gonna try and cock this thing. Put this thing on safety.
Hit that scope on anything.
Daggone.
Yeah. It's
not-
tough. So, no, you cannot cock it.
I mean, I was able to do it halfway. I mean,
Halfway is not good enough. One more.
darn. I'm trying to shoot more.
One more for your video, and then you're done.
Hit right off to the side. I'm like shaking right now. It's like moving for me. Well, guys, that's going to be it with this video. If you would, please hit that like button, subscribe. Okay, guys, peace.